Hi students! Did you have your break time? Now let's start with our next lesson. Our next lesson will be phonics. The objectives of today's lesson is to recognize and say words with short O and long O sound, and also to blend the words correctly. Now let's take out your Smart Phonics Reader 4 and turn to page number 19 and 20. Don't forget to grab your pencil and eraser with you. Very good. Now let's turn to page number 19. Take your pencil and write today's day, Thursday, and the date 2 September 2021. So we have two words to learn today, the short OO and the long OO. Now the short OO sound. So the OO for the short sound will be O. Now let's start with the first words. B, O, K, book. B, O, K, book. So we have book there. So can you identify the short O sound? Yes, very good. The next one. K, O, K, cook. K, O, K, cook. Very good. Can you identify and circle the O sound there? Very good, student. The next one. Hook. H, O, K, hook. One more time. H, O, K, hook. Very good. Let's circle O sound. And the last one. L, O, K, look. Look. Very good. So these four words is the short O sound. Now let's see the long O sound. What is the sound for the long O? Yes, the long O sound will be oo. Okay, now we have 5 examples there. Let's move on. The first one, food, food. Food. Let's circle the oo sound. Very good. The next one, moon. 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 Can you see the oo sound there? Well done. The next one, what is that, students? Yes, it's a zoo. 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 Let's circle the O sound. Very good. The next one, spoon. Spoon. Yes, it's a spoon. Can you circle the oo sound? The O. Very good. And the last one. Stir, S and T together, stir. Stool. Stool. Let's circle together the O sound. So very good, students. So remember, the short O will have the O sound and the long O will have the oo sound. So we have few more words down there. Can you read these words too? Food. F-O-O-T. Food. Very good. G-O-O-D. Good. Good. The third one. P-O-O-L. Pool. Pool. T-O-O-2. And the last one, wood. W-O-O-D, wood. Very good. Now let's turn to page number 20. So let's read the two stories given there. Okay, let's read. Look, a dog is on the roof. It is Boone the dog. Boone looks at the moon. Oof, goes Boone the dog. Very good. So what can we see from the picture and the words we read? There is a dog on the roof and the dog's name is Boone. And what is Boone doing? Boone is seeing the moon. And Boone is barking. Woof. Very good. Now let's move on to the second picture. Brooke cooks some food on her stove. The food smells good. Brooke sits on a stool and eats the food with a spoon. Very good. So the girl named Brooke, she cooks some food on a stove. Can you see the stove there? And the food smells so good. And then after cooking, Brooke sits on the stool and eats food with a spoon. Very good. So that's all for today. Thank you, students. Now you can keep your book away and take a short break.